Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will make a segment from Sir Holland. The work of the village medicine men, and modern doctors in most urban and suburban areas throughout the world. Sick people are taken to a doctor's office or to a hospital for treatment, but among tribal and village people in many countries, patents are taken instead to a local medicine man. This medicine man is a combination of a doctor, priest, and psychologist. Some of his folk methods are similar to those of an urban doctor, but most are very much different. The difference in methods is a result of the fact that this is to the modern scientific mind is viewed as something natural. It is caused by virus, bacteria, and other small things that we can't see with our microscope. By contrast, in much of the world, disease is considered to be something natural, supernatural. In other words, sickness is not caused by something physical, but instead is the result of deep anger, broken religious laws, the hatred of enemies, and so on. And urban physician knows how to treat a specific disease. A medicine man, however, treat the whole person and often the patient's family and friends as well. Prevention of disease medicine, myth, and magic. Uh, 211 of course. There may be no need for treatment if people know how to take care of themselves to prevent sickness. A modern physician might tell his patients what to eat, how much to exercise, when and how to relax, and the like. A medicine man, on the other hand, tells his patients to wear a more adds special necklaces for protection against bad spirits. Nevertheless, in both village and urban society, people do become ill and sometimes need medical help. The diagnosis, the first step in any treatment, of course, is the diagnosis. To doctor or the medicine man has to find out why the patient is ill and decide what to do about it. For the diagnosis, but ask about symptoms. Is the patient complaining about headaches, stomach stomaches, insomnia, skin rash, but the similarity in methods and there. The doctor's next step is to give blood tests, take X-rays, etc. Will the medicine man involve supernatural methods? He might ask the patients about his dreams. Use astrology to find the cause of the problem in the stars, or go into a trance, a condition of deep concentration is in which he doesn't function normally. In an effort to contact spirit of or other beings outside the world. The cure after the diagnosis comes. The cure in modern medicine, this solution usually means one or more of the following: the same methods that are used for prevention, healthful food, rest, exercise, perhaps warm bed or massage, drugs, or surgery. Likewise, folk medicine includes some of the same cures, and as in the diagnosis, however, a medicine man also uses a wide variety of supernatural methods in his cures. Two of the most common are exorcisms and soul palms. Exorcism is based on the belief that disease is caused by bad spirits. Thus, in an exorcism ceremony, the medicine man performs a number of traditional activities to take the evil beings out of the victims' bodies. Songs, dance, and religious prayers are part of any exercise, and soul hunts include them as well. In these ceremonies, the medicine man tries to persuade the victim's souls, which are believed to have left their bodies, to return. A typical tribal ceremony, the Ndembu people of Central Africa believe that illness is often the result of the anger of a relative, friends, or enemy. This emotion, they say, causes to enter the body of the person who is the target of the anger and to create disease. When the medicine man decides which body part contains the evil tooth, he calls together the victims, relatives, and friends to watch a ceremony, at the end of which he removes it from the patient's throat, arm, leg, stomach, etc. Although the patients and the villagers know what has happened, that the tooth has been hidden inside the medicine man's mouth the whole time. The patient is often cured. The Dembu ceremony is typical of treatment around the world in which stones, insects, or small spears are taken out of sick people. Despite the scientific evidence that this proves the effectiveness of such methods, the fact remains that treatments are often successful, and many villagers prefer to be cured in this way than by modern physician. The success of medicine man scientists ask how medicine and men can actually be successful in their treatment and why they are so popular. The answer probably lay in a combination of the following reasons. First, supernatural ceremonies are symbolic and the people who participate in them believe deeply in the symbols. Even Western physicians agree that patients with deep faith believe in God, their doctors. The drugs they take, image or symbol, will regain their health faster than patients with little hope. Second, ceremonies may be effective because people come together for a common goal. Patients see how many people in their communities care about the cure, and in addition, these communal meetings provide socially acceptable opportunities for the people of the village to express what they feel. Social and psychological problems can be solved along with the physical ones of the sick person. Fourth, scientists, the theories that the trance part of the ceremonies produce certain signals in the body, which then work to help cure the disease. Finally, many of the medicine man's natural drugs, which come from a nearby forest, jungle, or desert, have been found to be medically effective. Scientists are fascinated by what they learn from the methods of tribal medicine men. Okay, and in my summary, the text talk about how village medicine men are different from modern doctors in many tribal specialties. Uh, People believe that sickness comes from spiritual or emotional problems instead of just physical causes. A medicine man treat the whole person and their community. Its rituals and traditional remedies, even though modern science may question their methods. This practice can still work because of strong belief and community support. Uh, might reflect a connection with religion. In many religion, people pray for healing. For example, in Christianity, believers might ask for help from God, similar to how medicine men use spiritual ceremonies to heal real life experience. Someone might try herbal medicine medicine when really regular doctors don't help them. This shows how people look for different ways to feel better, just like medicine men do. Uh, Recent news. Recently, a community in Brazil started using traditional healers in their health care system for mental health. This combines modern and traditional methods, showing that both can be effective just like the work of medicine men. Oke, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.